Hi guys, it's Judy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the best Korean skincare products for dry skin. So here in Australia, we are coming into winter. Unfortunately, I know a lot of my audience is based in the US, but I know I do have some audience people who are within a space where it's coming into winter, it's coming into colder weather, and alongside, hand in hand with that, comes drier skin. So today I want to talk about some Korean skincare products that are really great for dry skin. And I suppose it doesn't have to be winter to have dry skin. I suppose dry skin people can have dry skin all year round. It doesn't have to be winter for that to happen. And so if this is you, this is definitely me. I have really dry skin, struggle with that a lot. Then you might enjoy some of the products that I'm going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to be sharing some skincare items that I received from the brand Stylevana. Now, if you guys weren't aware, Stylevana is a website where you can purchase new, trending, and amazing Korean and Asian makeup and skincare products for a really affordable price. They have a lot of deals going all the time. They've got sales going all the time, and you can use my code INF10 Kikay to save 10 to 15% off your order, and you can even stand to save even more if you just go check out the details in the description box down below. The more you'll save as well. So we all know how that goes, right? This video is not sponsored by Stylevana, but these products were sent to me by them very kindly in PR for review, and so that I can share them with you guys here in today's video. So without further ado, I'm going to start talking about some really amazing Korean skincare products that you are going to want to check out to save your dry skin. So let's go. So the first product I want to talk about is this AHA, BHA, and PHA Real Cica, 92% Cica, a cool, calming, soothing gel. So this actually has a really nice texture. So you can see here, it's a really nice gel type product. It's not oily, it's not slick, it's not greasy. It's a type of product, it's a gel, water-based gel that just sinks right into the skin. And this helps really smooth out any irritation, any redness. And what I really love about this is that it just sinks right into the skin without leaving that sticky, greasy, unpleasant feel on the hands. It's skin moisturizing and has a cooling effect. It's a multi-use soothing gel for both face and body, so it's great for all over, not just the face, and it helps to soothe irritated skin. This is from the brand called Some by Me, and I really love skincare products that has the ingredient called Cica in it. Now, Cica is a Centella asiatica plant-based ingredient that you can find in a lot of Asian and Korean skincare. It's an ingredient that naturally soothes irritated skin, or it's really good for sensitive skin as well. It helps really soothe and calm down the skin. On top of that, this has AHA, BHA, and PHA. I don't know the scientific or the best way to explain what those are, but they are ingredients that helps balance out the balances in your skin. So for example, if your skin is really super dry, it's in need of something else. If it's oily, it's in need of something else. So these things help balance out the skin. I don't know if there's a better way to explain that. Obviously there are better ways to explain that, but in a nutshell, this gel just helps balance out the skin, smooth and hydrate. And I really super love this. I'm excited about this. I love to use this kind of product just all over my skin, all over my body, and it's just really nice and cooling and calm. And my favorite thing about it is that it's not slick and greasy. So that's the first thing. You can find the link to all of these products in the description box down below if you wanted to go check them out. But I personally, for one, really super love products like this just to have to really slather all over the body and then not feel like I'm ready to be slid into a sausage wrapping. That's a really terrible analogy, but I suppose you know what I mean. If you hate that slick, greasy feeling, then you're gonna love this product. So the next two products are two that kind of go hand in hand. These are two products from the brand called Ionic. This is a Centella Calming Gel Cream. So it has the same ingredient that I was telling you about, the Cica ingredient. Centella asiatica leaf water, it's got 70% of that. tea tree leaf water 10% and blemish calming effect on the skin as well. So this gel is really light and moisturizing. It can help with skin blemishes and help brighten the skin as well. With the Centella Asiatica leaf water, it really helps to hydrate and soothe any irritated skin. Really excited to try that one out. It says calming. I have very uncalm skin at the moment, so I'm looking forward to using that. My skin just goes nuts come around winter time. It's winter, getting colder, and my skin just goes white, flaky, and ashy as anything. So looking forward to trying this one. The thing I've been really enjoying about using these products that I've been getting from Stylevana is that I don't just use them on the face. They're really good products to use all over the body as well, and just to help take the skin to just give it a hydration, give it a bit of a boost, give it a bit of drink of water. These products really help with that. This other one is a beta-glucan. I'm not sure what beta-glucan is. It's a daily moisture cream, hyper moisturizing. It says beta-glucan 30,000 ppm. I'm not entirely sure what that means. Okay, so beta-glucan is a natural moisturizer made from mushrooms, Centella Asiatica extract, and red fruits complex, prunes, raspberries, strawberries, peach, and punica. So it's actually got antioxidants in it, because I know that berries have that antioxidants ingredients within them. So they help improve the skin barrier. That sounds really super good. Excited to try these two out. Anything with hydration, sign me up. And I'm really hoping that, so this one is a cream, and I'm really hoping they don't have that slick, greasy, oily feel as well. I suppose I'll just open up and have a look. So this beta-glucan daily moisture cream doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it just smells like a really nice cream. Let me feel that. It has a little bit of a slick feel, but nothing too oily, nothing too dramatic. That's really nice. And this one, this gel cream, let's try this one out. Ooh, it's a little bit of a gel consistency. It is, that's what it said it was. And that has a really nice consistency as well. It feels a little bit like this. I love the water-based gel creams. Don't give me anything oily, don't give me anything slick. I just want a bit of a water-based gel that sinks right into the skin. That one doesn't smell too fragrant as well. I don't appreciate products that have too much of a strong fragrance, so I'm really impressed with those two. Looking forward to trying those out on the skin. The next product is this Radiance Cleansing Balm. This is from the brand Beauty of Joseon. It's J-O-S-E-O-N. Do you pronounce that Joseon or Joseon? Joseon. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's a balm. It's got a little scoop right there. Ooh, that smells incredible. I'm not sure what this is for. Massage balm gently over dry skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water. This sherbet type cleansing balm contains rice bran and fermented bean grain ingredients. It transforms into a silky oil once applied to skin, melting away traces of makeup. Oh, it's a makeup remover. I love that. It smells amazing too. I'm guessing it's a kind of balm that doesn't strip the skin or leaving it feeling really tight and dry when you finish using it. Really love that. I'm almost out of my Good Molecules Radiance Cleansing Balm, so looking forward to trying that one out. I love that. It smells so good too. And the next product is also from the brand Beauty of Joseon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But this one is a glow serum. It's a propolis plus niacinamide serum. A really cute little bottle there. Let's see. It doesn't smell like anything, but it comes with a little dropper like this. It's a bit of a serum-like consistency. Let's apply a bit to the back of the skin. Niacinamide is really good for the skin, great for brightening and minimizing wrinkles and fine lines and pores. Doesn't smell like anything, which I actually really like. Don't really super appreciate skincare that has a high fragrance to it. That actually feels so beautiful on the skin. My hands feel very hydrated now, and that makes me really excited to try out all these products. Like I said, if you struggle with dry skin like I do, it's an absolute bore trying to make that skin be better, but it really super helps when you have super hydrating products like this. So really excited about these products. Oh, I have one more, sorry. forgot about this one. Alright, so this one is a Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. It's a deep skin technology and it's from the brand Haru Haru. This is what the bottle looks like. It's not a glass bottle, but it looks really aesthetic. Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. I must say, I do use a lot of black rice in my cooking, but I can't say I use a lot of black rice within my skincare. So let's just open this up and see what it smells like. It actually smells like musk lollies. That smells so good. Just feels like a water-based toner. It feels like a toner, basically. And it smells really good. So can't say whether I like it or not. I'm gonna have to try that one out to say whether it's any good. But from all my experience with Korean skincare, I'm gonna say that this one's a go. So if you guys wanted to check out any of these products for yourselves, do go down in the description box and check out those links. You can purchase from Stylevana, you can purchase anything from their website through those links. And like I said, use the code INF10 Kikay to save 10 to 15% off your entire order. Again, I want to thank Stylevana for partnering with me in this month's video, for sending me these products so I could share them with you guys. Really excited about these month's products from Stylevana. Thank you to them for working with me again this month, and I'm so excited for you guys to try these products out. These kind of skincare products, like I know I haven't really mentioned makeup a lot because it's just the thing, I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup recently, but I must say, hydrating skincare like this, and I have been using a lot of skincare from Stylevana over the past several months for as long as I've been working with them, and I must say their skincare is to die for. Any brands, Beauty of Joseon, I think that's how you say it, Ionic, Some by Me, there's VT Cosmetics, there's Fruitia, there's Laneige as well. There are a lot of really amazing Korean skincare and beauty items on the Stylevana website. I really implore you guys to go check them out. Don't sleep on this. Their products are amazing. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks guys so much for watching. I appreciate you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I hope you have an amazing skin week. You can have amazing skin. You just need to check out these amazing products. You can't go wrong. Really super excited about them. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!